Hello. I'm Vivian. Today, I'm showing you how to make a bicycle with one balloon. Prepare a 260 balloon. Stretch and inflate it. Leave about 5 to 10 finger widths uninflated at the tail end. Not the ball mouth. Massage the balloon. This helps to prevent it from bursting too easily. Firstly, make an ear balloon. Twist 3 or 4 times. Make sure the knot out. Make 2 ring bubbles of 3 finger width. Then make a single bubble of 3 finger width. Then make 2 ring bubbles. Now, let's make the balloon softer. Catch the balloon to surround the ring bubble. This is one tire. Then make a single bubble of 3 finger width. Make another ring bubble of 2 finger width. Catch the balloon to surround the ring bubble. This is the second tire. Then use the remaining balloon to make a single bubble of 2 finger width. Cut it off. Knot the balloon mouth. Make a slight adjustment. Okay. Now the little bike is completed. Stay tuned and join me.